So now it's time to display the result. As you can see here, we need to display the score. So we need to find out what is the key for the score. So for the score, we need to get the match home team full-time score, and we need also to get the match this one match away team full-time score. So these two are the keys that we are interested in. So I'm gonna here display the, let me copy them. I'm gonna copy the first one, which is this key, and then I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna say here double curly braces, and then I'm gonna say result dot, and then match home team full-time score, and this is the score that belongs to the home team. And then I'm gonna add here hyphen, and then I'm gonna say double curly braces, and then in between I'm gonna say match away team full-time score. So I'm gonna say here result dot, and then match away team full-time score. Let me now save and let me head on over to the browser to test. So in the browser, if I refresh, let me refresh. So if I refresh, I think I'm not gonna get anything. The reason is because these matches have been cancelled. So during this period, all of these matches have been cancelled. Therefore, the scores, all of the scores, will be here empty. So I'm gonna change the date. I'm gonna go back in time here. Instead of using this date, I'm gonna go back in time here to something else. Let me say anything, any date, any old date. I'm gonna go back in time in order to test this and see how it's gonna return the date, how it's gonna return the. Let me here say this date, for example. So let me change again. Let me say something else. I'm gonna try to get a date where matches have been played. So here, as you can see, no event found. So we need to keep changing the date until we find matches. Unfortunately, I'm not familiar with this league, so I don't really know when these matches have been played. So let me try this date, for example. So I have found this date. There has been many matches have been played during this period. So this is the date. Let me copy this link. Let me go back to the link. So I'm gonna in the views here, I'm gonna use this period. I'm gonna use this period of time. So I'm gonna remove this link, and then I'm gonna paste this new link which contains this period. And this period, many matches have been played. Let me save and let me go back to the browser and refresh and show you how awesome this is. So let me here refresh. And let me refresh one more time. So as you can see here, I got all of these matches and the results are being displayed here, which looks amazing. The only problem is that the text is too big. As you can see, the text is too big, and it collides with the results. So let me change the text. So you can here change the name here, the name class. I'm gonna go back to the CSS and I'm gonna change the name. Remember, we have the name class. I'm gonna change it. So the text size here, I'm gonna change the text size to be 14. I'm gonna say 14 here. Let me save and let me go back to the browser and refresh. So if you refresh, it should work.